Naviforce brand was officially established in 2012. It combines two words, Navy and Force, and it aims to become a Navy SEAL in the watch industry. Leading character, Fly Freely, is the spirit of Naviforce. Guangzhou Xiangyu Watch Company Limited as the official brand owner of Naviforce. We ensure that every watch is sticky to his spirit from its design to its production. Every watch is the latest, while in the production stage, we have implemented the highest standard of alloy watches in this industry, from the selection of material till the shipment. Our factory has passed ISO 9001-2015 Quality System certification. The effective operation of the system makes our product quality better control. The phrase of "For Dream" is engraved on the back of each Naviforce watch. It symbolizes the original intention to build this brand is for the dream. It is this dream to lead every Naviforce man to make exquisite work for every watch. It also brings the best products with the same dream of you. With the rapid development of the company and the continuous improvement of brand influence, Naviforce watches have attracted more and more people's attention and favor worldwide. Naviforce has been guiding personal individuality in this era. It has been flying freely for our dreams. As for the future, let's keep going for Dream.